Did a complete overhaul of my enemy AI really and my wave managing system. Um, so ton of logic in here. Start wave, end wave, prep phase, spawn current wave. But I figured, there'd be sort of an evac phase where we completed a level. Let's go do some R&R, buy some items, level up our characters, hang out. We can skip it if we want. If we want to keep fighting for more rewards, the less R&R you take, kind of a risk versus reward thing. So I built in some of that logic already. Um, but something I've kind of learned. I'm just kind of making these systems separately and modular. This wave system I could apply to other games if I wanted to. Um, I have this data table for my waves because in my mind I spent quite a bit of time on this. Um, just so I could scale relatively easily. Um, if I say I wanted 100 waves, well, the way I set this data table up, I could have a row here for wave one. I set up all the information I need right here. Portal tags, it's really, portal spawn portal dot A. That's really, you know, the spawn location is what I'm setting here. Where do I want to spawn this wave at? I have this groups. What kind of enemies do I want to spawn? Well, I want to spawn. You guys notice the spiders I got spawned in? I have. How many do I want? What kind of enemy do I want to spawn? I want it to be random, min or max. Um, Portal routing. That's really. I call it portals because I imagine portals opening up and spawning enemies. So that's why I called it that. But that's spawn location as well. Don't want to spawn at random portals across the map. Don't want to do a round robin style where if I have 10 and I have 4 portals, I'll do 1, 1, 1, 1. You know, do that twice for each portal and then 2 more times for the next 2. Just kind of go around. Spawning enemies. I have a bunch of settings like that I can, change really easily, very, very quickly.